Something that has come up twice recently and has also come up in the past are questions surrounding pressure drop. So you might get in a proposal or some projections from your catalyst vendor a pressure drop estimate. In general, this is most likely the pressure drop just across the catalyst bed, whether it's a tubular reactor or a chamber reactor. And you might look at this pressure drop and say, well, ours is higher in real life. Like, what's the deal? And part of this could just be related to how or where you're measuring. So in your plant, in your reactor, in real life, depending on where your pressure indicators are, you could be adding in pressure drop for piping, probably any reactor internals, nozzles, things that add to pressure drop that aren't considered when you're just looking at just the catalyst. So I thought this is just helpful as you're kind of looking at projections and proposals, something to keep in mind as you're comparing to how you're currently operating in normal operation. Have a great day.